Before we get into this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to receive more videos from me, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I create more videos, and so you can enjoy more programming content. Welcome back to a new Java series in which I will be teaching you Java. I will be mainly using Java 17, which is the latest long-term support version. And so starting off, we'll need to download Java itself, and we'll also be downloading an integrated development environment, which is used to write your code. There are many choices out there, such as Eclipse, IntelliJ, and just to name a few. But I'll be using IntelliJ, made by JetBrains, a great company. They make great integrated development environments, and it has a lot of plugins and very easy to use compared to Eclipse, which I have used in the past and found very difficult to use. So starting off, you want to download Java itself. So you want to head off to we will need to download Java, the JDK, which I mentioned before, and it's a Java development kit. Basically, everything you need to work with Java and program with it. And this can be found at Adoptium. I'll put the link for this in the YouTube description. But basically, easy play to download the Java JDK, and we'll be installing the Java 17. So you want to go ahead and click on it, and it should only take a couple of seconds. So I'll already no. So you want to quickly let it download. So once you go, you want to double click it. So your installer might look different to mine depending on which OS you're using. If you're using Windows, it probably look different, but Linux, Mac OS, but it should all have the similar stages. So you want to head and continue. Yep, agree, and it'll tell you what's gonna download it, install, and then it should install. I already got it downloaded, so there's no need for me to install it. But if you install it, everything should work, and if you have any problems, just let me know. So once you've downloaded that, head and go to your create a new tab in your browser. Doesn't matter what browser you're using, just type in IntelliJ IDE, and you want to head over here, download. So now you come to a section where you have two versions. One is free, another one is paid in most circumstances. If you're a student and you go to college, university, or high schools, sometimes high school you can get it, mine can, you can get it for free. So I'll be making a separate YouTube video on how to do that, because this is not really the place, not the video to teach you how to do it. So now ahead and just go download the community edition, because that's a free version, and then it should download. And then once you've downloaded it, you want it will come up with the application folder. You want to go ahead and move your IntelliJ on Mac. I think Windows it might be different, but you want to move your IntelliJ to your application folder, so basically you can use it. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and start using it. My ID will look different to yours, as I'll be using the ultimate version, and I have plugins installed to making my programming easier, and I have themes, but there isn't really a major difference. So yeah, double click it, and you just want to move it to your application folder. There's no need for me to do that, but once you've done it, it'll ask you to agree, just continue, and you'll reach a blank just a page where it has plugin an option, and just something basically like this, but it won't be this theme, it'll be a different theme. So basically we've installed everything we need. So in the next episode we'll be looking at a very basic program called Hello World, and you will run it and basically print out a statement to the terminal. That's for the next video. So but until next time, peace out.